Hi, I am Tom Callahan, Manager for CertainTeed Ceilings Technical Services. Today, we are here at our acoustical testing and training facility. Let's talk about the installation of our direct-to-deck products, including our Ecophon Focus B, Focus F, and Focus SQ. First is the application of our glue. We recommend the use of Titebond's acoustical sealing adhesive. When you're applying it, we require the use of a trowel that is 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch. This gives a consistent depth across the whole panel back. When you're applying the glue, be sure to apply 4 equal patches of glue on the panel back, roughly 5 inches by 5 inches in diameter, approximately 1.5 inches from the edge. So we'll go through the whole process now. You're applying glue just to getting on the back of the board, buttering it, and then creating your dimension for the height with the trowels. And then you're all set. First is Ecophon Focus B. It is a square edge with a face bevel here. These panels are meant to touch edge to edge. This product should only be used when your substrate, the ceiling you're gluing to, is completely flat. The next up is Ecophon Focus SQ. This one is completely square. There is no bevel to the surface. This is for use when the ceiling has some type of different levels to it. It's not completely flat because there is a defined architectural gap between the panels. And then for the next panel, you're coming in here, locating it close enough to the panel edge. You can still reposition it if you need to. And you want to have roughly 5/16 or 8 millimeters between the panel edges. This is Focus F. It is a tongue and groove system. On one side you have the tongue and groove. Two other sides you have a kerf to receive a spline. These panels are great no matter what type of application. You could have a flat ceiling, you could have an uneven surface. Because they are integral to each other, there is no issue of panels lipping or showing any type of edge. As I said before, instant tack, does not fall down. If I need to move it and reposition it, I can. You want to put consistent pressure across the whole board face to make sure everything is evened out. And then the panel next to it will come in and sit into this groove. So this panel edge here, kind of a trailing edge of sorts, would sit into this tongue side here, as any other tongue and groove panel would. Sliding it in, fully concealed product essentially, up and gluing it.